up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to change the front windows on an 04 to 08 Chevy Malibu. So first things you're going to need is a 10mm socket with a ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, and also a T25 Torx bit. Now, to get started, first thing you want to do is have your window a quarter to half of the way down. That'll just give you room to get to the two bolts that we're going to need to remove to pull the window. So after that, you're going to come down here, take your flathead screwdriver and just pop that little piece out, and inside there, if we can see it, yep, right there, there's your two Torx bits you have to take out. Then you need to get this little plastic piece here off from around the door handle. So if you can come around and pop it gently like that, it comes right off. You've got your connector for your locks. That's just a little push and pull switch. So you just push down on this little guy and you can pop it right out of there. So then after that, you'll do the same thing here. Take your screwdriver, pop this up, unconnect any connections you got back there. We've got 3 connections back here. Now that that's done, all you gotta do, come over here, if you can see these 2 little pins there in the very center of them. You gotta push in with something and they will pop out like that, and you can just pull them out. There's just the 2 of them. Once you pull those out, you can come along the edge of the door panel, all around it underneath with your screwdriver and pop that as well. Up here, this little triangle piece comes out separate. There'll be a plug-in on the back of the tweeter here. You gotta unplug that. And as far as I know, that's the only other plug-in you've got. I just realized mine was already broken because this is my second time switching out the windows, so I noticed this before, but I just forgot to mention there's also, if yours isn't broken like mine, this little plug-in that down on the door panel there is for your trunk release. Now that that's been done, if you carefully peel, you see I've already been in here before and ripped it. You can peel this back a ways just so that you can get to the 2 screws that you need to get to. Okay, with this folded down here, see right there is your first one, and right over here is your second one. Those are the only 2 bolts that are holding the actual window itself in. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera there, come down here, loosen it. And loosen that. Now you don't need to take them all the way out. Just get them nice and loose. It'll make it easier when you're putting your new windows in. Now, I know I don't have the best view on this, but if you go ahead and grab the window, if you lift up the back first, bring it up around the outside of your door, you can, just like that, slide it up and out. Now, in order to put the window in, this weather stripping out here is going to have to be separated. If you pull apart these first two right here, there's a secondary one down there. Now, when you go to put the window in, if you use your left hand to do this, just kind of separate it, or a screwdriver, whatever you want to use. You can then put the window in the opposite way of which you pulled it out by putting the smaller end in first and just kind of slipping it along through there. So I've got the window started in here. Now it may be a bit of a challenge to get it the rest of the way. That didn't go so bad though. Now I'm not quite sure that that's in there. So what we're going to do, now that the window is set in there itself, come down here. If you look up in here, I should have had the window down a little bit more. You can see that that side is in place and this side is as well. So you can go ahead and take your 10mm, tighten it up, make sure it's on there solid. Once you've got that, you can pretty much go ahead and start buttoning everything back up. Run these wires back through here, along with this little one up here, just like that. Try to get everything sticking again. And now you're ready to put your door panel back on. When you put your door panels back on, don't forget these two little clips. All you gotta do is pop them back in there. Simple. Then you can go ahead, plug back in your locks, everything with your windows in there, and pop those two pieces back on. Finally, you got those two screws to come back in down here. Slip them in and tighten them up. Once you do that, you can grab this fancy little cover. Doesn't matter which way you put it on. Go ahead, snap it back on, and you're all done. New windows in, tinted windows, and passenger side is the same exact thing, just a couple less plugs you have to take out. So, hope to help you guys. Doing this because I noticed when I was looking on YouTube, the only videos they had that were remotely like this was for the window regulator, which I didn't need to do. I just needed to know how to swap out the windows. So, hope that helps. Also, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you had any issues with anything, let me know what type of videos you want to see from me. Thank you.